Yo, what's good, guys? We're back with another video. We're gonna um we're gonna do another verse check video. Alright, so we're gonna try to do around the map. Wish me luck though, I'm not really good with this. So let's hope I do good. Boom 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 boom. Oh my god. Please, don't mess up. Nice, 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 nice. Good drift, good drift. Yes. Let's go. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Bruh. No. There we go. Okay. Doing good. Doing better than I thought I would. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. I'm trash. Oh my god, so fast. Yes, sir. 59 seconds. We could do better. Let's try again. Let's try that again, because that wasn't really a good one. Here we go. Come on, come on. Yeah, good drift. Oh no. Okay, okay. Be good, be good. No! Come on. Yes. Ah, no. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Yeah, this is really hard than you think, yeah, I swear. Like, it's not easy. Yeah, probably can do better than me, but still. Yes, sir. Okay, 57. 2-point difference. I'm gonna do my last one. So this is pretty good. Also, sorry y'all haven't made more videos yet, because I really just don't have the courage to make more. But still, back to play some Roblox. Well, I'm not back, but I just wanted to play some Roblox. Alright, got one more race, and that's it. Yes, okay. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. No. Frick. No. No, no. Damn it. No. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, what the? Go back. Bruh, I'm doing so bad. Oh my god, they're making fun of me. I don't know. No! Stop. Bruh. Well, that's okay. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And see y'all later. Goodbye.